Hello, students. Today, in 7th Semi English class, we are going to see the first lesson, the living world, adaptation and classification. Adaptation and classification. Now, see everything that is living, for example, animals, birds, plants, marine animal like fish, crabs, etc. That all are living world. That all are called as living world. And we are going to see how this type of living world means animals, plants survive. That means how they adopt and how is their classification. Today we are going to see all these things. Now see in what different ways is the diversity in living things seen? See, a great variety of plants is found on the earth. Some plants have colorful flowers. You know, you know that rose is red, rose is yellow, rose is sometimes white in color. Similarly, you see hibiscus plant. Hibiscus is red in color, sometimes hibiscus is pink in color, and sometimes hibiscus is white in color, yellow in color, etc. Like that, sunflower. Another example is of sunflower. Sunflower is of yellow color. Some plants grow in water, whereas some are to be found in deserts, which have a scarcity of water. Some plants grow in water means which plants grow in water? Do you see ever see lotus? Beautiful lotus we often see in water. For example, if you had visited to Sarasbag, in that lake, you observe many lotus plants and many lotus flowers also. Whereas some are to be found in desert. Some plants are found in desert. That plants have scarcity of water. Scarcity of water means what? Lack of water. Means very less water is seen in that desert area because of rain condition, poor rain condition. Some plants are found only in snowy regions. Some plants cannot be seen without a microscope, whereas some are huge in size. Animals too show diversity. Some are unicellular, other multicellular. Do you know which animals are unicellular animals? Yes, amoeba, paramecium are unicellular. Uni means only unique. Unique means single cell, having single cell. But while on the other hand, multicellular animals are also present on our beautiful planet, blue planet that is Earth. Which are multicellular animals? For example, human beings also, monkey, donkey, tiger, lion, elephant, etc. all are multicellular animals. Some are vertebrates whereas other are invertebrates. वर्टिब्रेट्स म्हणजे पाठीचा कणा असलेले, इनव्हर्टिब्रेट्स नसलेले. This world is full of a variety of animals, aquatic animal, terrestrial animal, amphibian, reptilian, aerials, etc. These observations give rise to a question. How did this great diversity come into being? How? How they get survived are the plants and animals from Kashmir and Rajasthan of the same type? Can you elaborate on any differences between the two? Coniferous trees. Now see. Coniferous trees like pine and deodar flourish in snowy regions like Kashmir. See, now see, here I had drawn a picture. This is coniferous plant. This is coniferous plant. Pine and deodar trees are like this. Why it is called as coniferous trees? These are observed in Kashmir. These trees are called as coniferous because its shape is like a cone. When snow fall down in Kashmir, it falls here and slides and come down. It doesn't stays on the leaves. So the shape is like this to fail down the ice, and this is adaptation of these coniferous trees, pine and devdar in Kashmir. Now see another example. In the desert of Rajasthan, plants like cactus and acacia means bubble, are to be found. The camel, a desert animal, is not found in Kashmir. While what is the reason for this difference? Now see, plant like cactus and acacia. Now see how is cactus? See, thorny plant. Cactus is like this. It is found in Rajasthan. It is thorny plant and it is adopted. The leaves of this cactus plants, these are not leaves. This big portion is not the portion of leaves. It is fleshy pulp. It is fleshy pulp, and it is these are not leaves. These is of green color, but it's not called as leaf. But these thorns are actually are leaves, and these leaves are converted into thorns so as to save water in that desert area. Now see this plant also. In this plant also we can in this plant we observe that thorns are seen, and all this portion is fleshy portion. Another animal example here is given camel. Camel, a desert animal. It has long leaves, long feet, sorry. Camel has long feet so as to walk on the soil or sand in desert area, that is Rajasthan. It is not found in Kashmir. What is the reason for this difference? Because the Kashmir region is full of snow, and in desert area such as Rajasthan there is very poor rain, and survive in this desert area we observe camel in Rajasthan and not in Kashmir. This is called as adaptation. So, see, adaptation means what? Gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in behavior of organisms which help them to adjust to their surroundings. Such changes are called adaptations. They take place over a long period of time.